welcome back to Forensic International. Today, we're diving into something vital for your brand's success: competitive analysis. Competitive analysis shapes strategies to innovate and lead market trends. Why is it so important? Well, understanding your position in the market and your competitors' strengths and weaknesses can truly set you apart. Let me share my 5-step framework to elevate your brand. Why bother with competitor analysis? If you're wondering if this is worth your time, let me give you a few reasons. First, competitor analysis can reveal what they excel at, providing inspiration for your strategies. You might discover unique marketing tactics that resonate with your audience. This analysis is also a great way to find opportunities for improvement without breaking the bank. By observing market positioning, you can learn what works and adapt those strategies for your brand. Plus, it helps you reflect on what makes your brand unique. It's not just about showcasing your strengths, it's about sparking fresh ideas that propel your brand forward. And don't forget, understanding your target audience is crucial. Dive into their social media interactions and feedback to ensure your strategies truly resonate with their needs. Lastly, keep an eye on new competitors. The market is always changing, and knowing who's emerging can refine your marketing strategies and keep you ahead. Use your insights to set benchmarks for success, ensuring your strategies stay agile as competition evolves. What is competitive market research? So, what exactly is this research? It's about understanding what sets your offerings apart, laying the groundwork for effective marketing that speaks to your audience. Key aspects to cover in your analysis. When analyzing competitors, focus on their company overview, offerings, pricing, messaging, and customer feedback. Each detail enriches your understanding and equips you with insights to elevate your brand. How to conduct your competitive analysis in 5 steps. Here's a straightforward 5-step guide. 1. Identify your competitors. Look for both direct and emerging players. 2. Determine market position. Understand their market share and customer satisfaction levels. 3. Benchmark key players. Analyze factors like quality, pricing, and customer service. 4. Assess marketing strategies. Observe their audience engagement and effectiveness of campaigns. 5. Report your findings. Summarize your insights into a structured report. In conclusion, whether launching something new or refreshing an existing brand, remember that competitive analysis is your roadmap. It replaces guesswork with solid information for growth in a competitive landscape. I hope you found these insights valuable. Before we wrap up, consider this: what's one thing you learned today that you can apply to your brand? Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay curious and keep pushing your brand forward.